Benny, what's going on? I hope that you heal up good. So sorry to hear that you went through such a trauma like that. If you ever need anything, I'm here for you. I appreciate you tremendously, and I appreciate your support and joining the Reptile Army. I hope that you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So Benny, I have been spending the last 20 minutes looking through all my male anacondas, trying to find the one that's going to bite you the most. That's not true. Truth is, I tried to find you one that's not only really beautiful, it's got beautiful colors and patterns, but also was really docile and that isn't going to bite you and stuff like that. And truthfully told, the girls down here actually helped me pick this one out. Maria in particular, she works with them more than anyone. And this is a beautiful little dude here. And as you can see, really super tame. So it's going to be good for you. So it is going in a bag. And it is on the way, and I hope that you're going to love this animal. I really appreciate you, brother. You're amazing. I will talk to you soon. I'm here with my guy, Benny, Bionic Benny. He is amazing. You've got a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Bionic Benny. I am going to put a link in the description, guys. How many subscribers do you have?
A little bit less than 300 right now.
About 300. Do me a favor, guys, please, for me. Let's get him to at least 2,500 subscribers today. Go ahead, right down below. I'm going to put a link in the description to him. Let's get him at least a couple thousand subscribers. Personal favor, if you subscribe to this guy, he's an amazing person, so do it for me, please. Evan.
What's up?
Brad, I want you to meet my friend Benny. This is Benny, this is Brad. He's
Nice
my
to
new
meet you.
friend that we just met today. I mean, we're inseparable now. Blood brothers. We actually You remember my buddy Benny, Bionic Benny? Saw him and met him down at Animal Con. You guys crushed it, but you didn't crush it as good as I wanted to. I asked you to get him to 2,500 subscribers. We got you about 2,000.
No, I'm almost 2,000, 1,700 right now.
1,700. So do me a favor. I'm going to put a link in the description. Please get him to 2,500 subscribers. It would mean a lot to me. Do me a personal favor. A link in the description. This man is an absolutely inspiration. Here in a second. I think it's going to be really good for us to learn together. This is all, this is obviously, Animal Con started years ago as a brainchild of mine. Like I said, as you guys are walking up, I got chills because, years and years ago, I thought we needed to do an animal show like a VidCon or a playlist that is for creators. And here we are. As a matter of fact, just before COVID hit, I was ready to pull the trigger. And then COVID hit, and it's like, oh, not exactly the time to do it.
Okay, so this is be a recap of Animal Con.
Yeah.
So give me a recap of Animal Con and how you thought it went, and what should we look forward to next year in Animal Con?
I'll be totally honest. When we were doing Animal Con, I didn't know what was going to happen. And if you would have asked me 3 weeks ago, I would have probably told you it was going to be a flop because it just didn't seem like things were coming together. And then yesterday, it came together, and to see the so many people here and all the creators and everyone's so happy and so excited. It was really, really fun. And so I wanted two things from Animal Con: for it not to flop. It didn't have to be a huge success at the first time. First shows never are a huge success. I didn't want it to flop. It didn't flop. And I wanted everyone to have a great time and be happy. And literally, I haven't talked to anyone that wasn't like, this is amazing, I'm coming back next year. And that's what I wanted. I just wanted people to come back next year, have a great time this year, and move on. And I think we accomplished our goals. And I can reflect on this and wow, it's been a wild ride, but it worked out well, and I can't wait for next year, because next year we're going to take it to a level that is ridiculous. I mean, this year was good. Next year, next level good. So yeah, very happy with the way things turned out.
Cool. Thank you.
No, thanks, brother. I appreciate it.
Okay, so make sure it's on frame. Okay, so the first question is, what's your favorite animal and why?
Oh my gosh, there's so many animals in the world that I love. I love everything, but I've really grown to love my green anaconda, Ivy. She's my baby. She is amazing, and I don't know how I could live without her. So although there's a million animals I could say are my favorites, I still am going to say Ivy, my green anaconda.
I love that choice too.
Yeah.
Okay, the next question is, what's your favorite thing about Animal Con so far?
By far, my favorite thing about Animal Con is meeting so many amazing people like you and so many other people that are passionate about the animals, hanging out with my friends that are influencers and absorbing all the information that we're getting here. This has been way more than I could have ever expected.
And then the final question, who is your favorite YouTuber or animal YouTuber instead of yourself?
I watch so many amazing animal YouTubers. Gosh, it's such a tough one because I know if I say anything, like there's 100 of them that I love, but I tell you, I'm going to give you a few. I know you said one, but yeah, I love Paul Cafaro, I love Fanatic, I love Ants Canada. You know, I'll take those top 3. I don't know. That's all I got for you.
Cool. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. All right. Now me. Okay. Ready?
Yeah. All right. So how's it being back? How does it feel to be back at Tinley after being gone for so many years?
6 years almost. Yeah. You know, it's been crazy. It's been fun. I've met so many amazing people. Seen a bunch of cool animals. Definitely. I mean, it feels like I have never left almost a little bit. But I'm glad I came. I'm not going to lie. I was a bit nervous this morning before I came because I just didn't know what to expect. But it's been really, really special, and it's been amazing.
Okay, man. It's good to see you here too.
It's awesome.
Honestly,
brother.
yeah.
Oh, look who else is in the house.
Bionic Benny.
Benny, before you say something, Benny was probably one of the highlights of my weekend.
I agree 100%.
Because he's just got that aura about him, you know, that like happiness and the...
It's a glow.
And for those of you guys that don't follow, we'll put a link in the description. Hit a comment down in the chat. Somebody hit you. You know, Benny, put your link, whatever. We wanted to get him to 2,500 subs. We're only at 1,400 so far, so we need to get him 1,100 more subs to get to my goal. And he deserves it because he's an inspirational guy and just one of those nicest, funniest, happiest. You know what I mean? Always smiling, always joking around, and
it's a great guy.
So he was definitely one of the highlights for Animal Con.
Go,
for me,
Benny.
So go ahead. What do you have to say?
He says, thank you so much for the shout out. I'm at 1,400 subscribers. Felt really good to pass 1,000.
And now you can make money, man. Now you're
Congratulations.
monetized, so
Ching.
congratulations.
And I don't know if you know this. It was one of the first times he's been out in public since he got into his accident.
Yeah.
Was going to Animal Con. So what a special thing
Good on you,
for him
Benny.
to do. To go to such an awesome event, meet so many great people. I mean, you are inspiring, Benny, and we love you so much.
Yeah, Benny, and people should watch him because of that inspiration. I mean, it's obviously he's been through more than most people could ever imagine. Yet he has a smile that is infectious. And,
That's right.
And a
Lights
great
up the
guy.
room.
So yeah, lights up the room. So please go show Benny some love for me. Please, it'd be a personal favor.